Welcome to our channel. Today, we're teaching you how to play Exploding Kittens, a 2 to 5 player game of survival. How long can you hold up against the deadly kittens? To set up, remove the 4 exploding kittens and 6 diffuse cards from the deck. Shuffle the remaining deck and deal 4 cards face down to each player. Deal 1 diffuse card to each player so that everyone has a hand of 5 cards total. Keep your hand secret. Insert enough exploding kittens back into the deck so that there is 1 fewer than the number of people playing. This ensures that everyone eventually explodes except for 1 person. Remove any extra exploding kittens from the game. Insert the extra diffuse cards back in the deck. Shuffle the deck and put it face down in the middle of the table. The shuffled deck is now your draw pile. Pick a player to go first, and we're ready to play. Rules are simple. Play as many action cards as you like. When you play a card, place them face up on the discard pile and follow the instructions. To end your turn, draw a card and hope it's not an exploding kitten. If it is, play a diffuse card into the discard pile. Then, move the exploding kitten to anywhere in the deck. If you want to sabotage the next player, leave it on top of the deck face down. If you don't have a diffuse card, you're dead and out of the game. Play will continue clockwise. These are the types of cards in the game. Exploding kittens. These can only be avoided with a diffuse card. If you can't play a diffuse card, you're gone. Diffuse card. This is used to diffuse an exploding kitten. When played, it goes into the discard pile. Nope card. Stop any action except an exploding kitten or a diffuse card. This can be played anytime, like on other players' turns. Attack. End your turn without drawing any card and force the next player to take 2 turns. Skip. End your turn without drawing a card. The next player plays as usual. Favor. Force any player to choose a card from their hand to give to you. Shuffle. Shuffle the deck until other players say stop. See the future. Look at the top 3 cards of the deck and place them back in the same order. Cat cards. There are cat cards that do not have instructions. Those are cards that you play in combinations like 2 or 3 of a kind, so that you can steal. When you play 2 of a kind, steal a random card from your chosen player. When you play 3 of a kind, name a card that you want, like the valuable diffuse card, from a chosen player. If they have it, they give it to you. If not, too bad for you. You can also play any 5 cards with or without any actions as a set and unlock the power to take any card from the discard pile. And that's it. Have fun! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.